The goal of any business is to generate revenue, and a good business platform should allow you to generate multiple streams of revenue. As marketers, you are all aware of the power of word of mouth, right? Clever copy, segmented targeting, and adorable promotional videos with endearing ukulele soundtracks can compete with a trusted source saying, "Hey, I think you'll like this." You're someone's trusted source, whether you're building a personal brand or simply know a lot of other marketers. And because putting together an effective marketing stack is such an important part of the job, you've probably recommended some tools to others. If you regularly recommend something, why not make money from it? They're paying for the value of your word with that. Even if you're an experienced affiliate marketer, you're probably always looking for a new way to monetize your sites. If you have a blog or website in the marketing niche, promoting landing page builders could be a good way to supplement your income. Welcome to Money Talk, where we discuss everything about money. And for this video, we are going to talk about how to get paid $630 in PayPal money online by creating websites without any skills required. But before we begin, don't forget to hit the like and subscribe buttons and be the first to check out our latest videos. So a landing page is a standalone web page that a user lands on after clicking through from an email, advertisement, or other digital location. To convert more traffic and increase conversions, every content strategy should include the use of landing pages. So landing pages are essential for the growth of your online business. They encourage users to buy, generate leads, or even collect prospect information. Landing pages, on the other hand, are a challenge for many business. Marketing teams either don't know how to create landing pages or believe they're too busy to do so. So Unbounce is a one-stop shop that allows businesses to create beautiful, functional landing pages that convert. The best part is that you don't have to hire a developer. Their drag and drop builder makes it extremely simple to use. They also provide a variety of landing page support features such as pop-ups and sticky bars. Things are much simpler with Unbounce. Users can take advantage of a variety of tools including mobile responsiveness and a drag and drop builder, all of which can help anyone complete the task regardless of previous experience. There are currently over 100 templates available, and the company will most likely add more in the future. But this is not what you're going to do. So if you have a blog that attracts marketers or a strong social media presence, you are ready to join the most successful Unbounce partners who can tap into various promotional channels for more referrals. As a partner, you can demonstrate your industry knowledge by referring Unbounce to clients and other marketers. You'll be able to generate new leads and create an entirely new revenue stream for your company. Share your experience with Unbounce to help others grow their businesses and create high-converting campaigns. Some of Unbounce's most ardent supporters have also proven to be the most profitable moneymakers. So you can sign up as a free Unbounce partner and receive a unique URL to invite others to try Unbounce. Using this link, your referrals will receive a special 20% discount on their first 3 months. Once your referrals pay for their account, you earn a 20% lifetime cut of every transaction for their duration of their Unbounce membership. What features can you promote as an Unbounce affiliate? So Unbounce's core product is landing pages, okay? And it's probably one of the most appealing ones you can promote to your blog or site audience. The landing page builder is so simple to use that anyone can create one in less than 15 minutes. The drag and drop builder makes everything go more smoothly, and no coding knowledge is required. Yay! Furthermore, the brand takes pride in providing excellent customer service, so if users have any problems, they will undoubtedly be assisted. Another appealing feature that distinguishes this affiliate program from the competition is its use of templates. So the templates are not only truly diverse in that they come in all shapes, sizes, colors, or for various types of businesses and landing pages goals, but they are also tested to ensure that users get the results they require. It's also worth noting that they're conversion ready, which means anyone can add extra features with a single click. It may take some trial and error for a user to determine which landing page design works and which does not. While there are a number of separate A or B testing tools available, it's definitely convenient to have this feature built right into the landing page builder. After that, simply visit the Unbounce Analytics page to see which one performs better. You've all experienced how annoying pop-ups can be at times, but Unbounce can make users' lives a lot easier, not only in terms of pop-up design, but also in terms of how they appear on their landing pages. Whether they want to use them to collect emails to improve their email marketing in general, or to announce new product launches or anything else, pop-ups and sticky bars can be used for all of these tasks. AMP pages load faster and are always mobile friendly, so that's one less worry. Unbounce allows its users to create such pages with just a few clicks, which is a clear advantage not only in terms of the overall experience, but also because they're already SEO optimized. So, before I continue about this program, let me just know your comment down below about if you're aware of this. If you are, let me know your thoughts about it, and if you've experienced it, well, let me know your experience. So let's get back right to it. So the program's advantage is that anyone can participate. All you have to do is fill out a form, answer a few questions via the chatbot, and wait for a response. Depending on how many requests the brand has received, you should find out whether you have been accepted into the Unbounce affiliate program in less than a week. Because the company uses Partner Stack for affiliate marketing, it would be ideal if you had prior experience with this platform. But even if you don't, everything is fairly straightforward, so the entire process is unlikely to give you a headache. Who should become an Unbounce partner? So there are 3 types of ideal affiliates, according to the Unbounce website. Are agencies, affiliate marketers, and social media influencers. By the way, there are no restrictions on where you can promote the brand's services. And what we mean by this is that if you follow some basic rules, such as not promoting them on shady websites, the sky's the limit in terms of the number of users you can get to purchase their plans. What makes the Unbounce affiliate program unique is the way commissions are calculated. For example, you receive 20% for each new user who purchases a plan regardless of its value. But the cool thing is that you also receive a recurring 20% rate on people who renew their subscriptions. According to the brand, this means that by referring just 10 people who continue to use the service, you can earn up to $320 in passive income. With 25 referrals, you can reach the $800 mark, and with 50 referrals, you can earn up to $1,600 per month while doing nothing. The company currently accepts payments through PayPal and Stripe. To make things even sweeter, you should know that the tracking cookie is valid for 3 months. That should give your readers enough time to decide whether they want to try Unbounce services or not. As long as they don't click on another marketer's affiliate link, of course, you still get your base commission rate as well as the recurring commission rate. Apart from that, Unbounce is simple to promote. Unbounce does not simply abandon you to fend for yourself after approval. They assign you a dedicated partner coach who will handle all of your concerns from affiliate marketing to payments. Second, Unbounce is a well-known platform with positive user reviews and ratings owing to its excellent work. It is one of the best options for small businesses as well as high-profile corporate websites. With this, they will help you persuade more customers to sign up regardless of their business size. Unbounce also has an excellent support team on hand to ensure that you and the customers you refer to get the most out of the platform. Unbounce also has an excellent support team on hand to ensure that you and the customers you refer get the most out of the platform. Unbounce also offers a plethora of free learning resources and materials to assist you in expanding your affiliate business by promoting Unbounce products. So, now that you know all of this, Will you try their partner program? You know what? Comment down below so that we can get the conversation going. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit that thumbs up button. Click subscribe and hit that notification bell to receive updates on our latest videos. If you want to watch more videos, you can just head on over to our channel to see more from Money Talk. See you!